Record sales debit notes to adjust customer receivables. Sales debit note processing begins in the Receivable module to manage upward price adjustments. The Receivable debit note list provides a centralized view of all active financial adjustments. Selecting the account categorizes the revenue adjustment for accurate general ledger reporting. This classification ensures the debit note aligns with specific product-based income streams. Identifying the customer links the financial obligation to the correct subsidiary ledger account. The currency field defines the legal tender for the transaction and subsequent aging reports. Assigning a reference invoice number establishes a direct audit trail to the original sale, while the voucher prefix, number and date gives the unique identification to the debit note. Linking to a specific invoice allows the system to validate outstanding balances and quantities. Reviewing the pool reference invoice details prevents overbilling by displaying previously invoiced amounts. The ref invoice date maintains chronological accuracy for tax reporting and financial periods. VAT withheld status determines if the tax liability is managed by the customer. Setting the payment plan date establishes the formal maturity and expected cash inflow. Branch selection attributes the revenue to the correct internal profit center. The item description populates technical details for the goods or services being adjusted. Unit price adjustments reflect the new valuation required to correct the original undercharge. Tax group settings enforce regional compliance by calculating the mandatory value-added tax. Detailed remarks provide internal context for auditors regarding the necessity of the adjustment. Attachment functionality secures supporting documentation to verify the legitimacy of the debit. Custom descriptions for the attachment provide clarity during secondary financial reviews. Tax breakup summaries display the calculated VAT and withholding tax for fiscal transparency. The net amount calculates the total increase in customer liability after all taxes. Submitting the record commits the adjustment to the ledger and updates customer balances. Successful saved status confirms the transaction is ready for the next approval stage. The impact on GL view reveals the automated double entry accounting generated by the system. Debiting trade receivables and crediting product sales maintains the integrity of the balance sheet. This workflow ensures accurate revenue recognition and maintains precise customer account reconciliations. Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.